crude oil this week has stopped at the support level here at 78.14, and then the price could not make any breakouts, and we can see what's happening on the market. The price has jumped around this price level, and on Thursday the price tried to form this bullish breakout, which has happened. But we can see that on the Friday the price returned back down again to the first support level. So on the weekly time frame, this looks like indecision candle after the price has formed this bearish breakout in the previous week. Now on the monthly time frame, the price has formed this bearish pin bar on the monthly time frame, then further decline down, and then the price continued to fall down, but the price stopped here. The first support level that I was expecting for the price will be 75.88, and this is something that I am expecting to see for this month that the price will reach. So currently on the monthly time frame, I'm expecting that the price will fall down even more at 75.73, and on the weekly time frame 75.73 will be around this area here, where we can see this will be the lower side. 76.35 is the target. The price almost reached this week, but I'm expecting to see the price going even more down. So this is something that I am expecting, and it is visible here, which means the price needs to make a breakout below this price level, which means 77.69, and then falling even more down, where the price could stop, and the first level where the price needs to make a breakout on the daily time frame again will be 77.38. So this is the target. Next week I am expecting to see the price, and below that, after the price goes down even more, it will the next target will be the start of this demand zone at 76.48. Currently I am not expecting to see the price going even more up. I am expecting to see the price going even more down. So this is what I'm expecting, and what will happen around this area, around this support level. This will be shared inside the Telegram group with the traders during the week when something happens like bullish or bearish breakout on the market. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.